How to link collection list in your Horizon theme to an automatic collection. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. It is extremely simple, so let's just go ahead and get to it. First, we actually need to create the auto collection in order to actually add it to the collection list. So we can just do that by going to products. Once you click on products, you just want to click on collections. And then we simply just want to create a new collection by clicking on add collection. Once we do that, we simply just want to give it a title, a description if needed. And next up, to make it an automatic collection, we want to select the smart type of the collection. Once you do that, you simply have the conditions that you need to fill. So products must match all conditions or any condition within these that you provide down below. So I'm just going to make it so that it must match all conditions. And let's just go ahead and add a random condition here. So I made it that this collection is only going to include items with the price point greater than 10 dirhams. With this, we can just go ahead and click on save. And now we can actually see that it already and automatically gives the products that are greater than 10 dirhams when it comes to the price. So what we want to do now is add this and link it to the collection list within the Horizon theme. So just go to online store, click on edit theme, go ahead and choose where you actually want to add the collection list. So in this case, I'm just going to add it here. Click on add section, choose any type of collection list that you actually like. I'm just going to go for the grid. And then you just simply click on it, go to collections, click on select, and you should be able to see this one that we have just created. Just make sure you select it and click on select at the bottom. And this is going to automatically be changing as you add more products that suit the conditions that you have added to that collection. Just be sure to save on the top right corner and you are pretty much good to go. So hopefully you found this video to be informative, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.